100 kVA 3-phase AC generator on arrival. Disconnecting and wire marking in progress. Dismantling in progress. View of the stator before dismantling. View of the driving end. View of the non-driving end. The main stator. Close-up view of the winding. The main rotor found overheated. Insertion of Class H insulation done rewinding in progress. View of the non-connection end, binding in progress. Connection end of the rotor. Binding complete. The rotor is ready for varnishing. Application of epoxy resin on the main rotor complete, ready for assembly. Connection of AVR in progress. Close-up view of AVR. Electronic card fitted. View of the control panel. The 3-phase AC generator tested, painted and ready for collection. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.